Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Nair. For today's lesson about understanding plot, please make sure you've watched both of my read-alouds for A Weekend with Wendell and Horace and Morris, but mostly Dolores. The goal of today's lesson is to identify the problem, the solution, and the high point of a fiction text. We know that most fiction texts have a series of events that lead to the main problem of the story. Then there's the high point of the story, sometimes called the climax. It's the most exciting part of the story. And then a series of events that lead to the solution and how the problem ends up getting solved. Let's take a look at A Weekend with Wendell. The problem in this story is that Wendell makes up all the rules when they play, and he is not kind to Sophie. The high point of the story is when Sophie teaches Wendell a lesson by treating him the way he has been treating her. And finally, the solution is when Sophie shows Wendell how much fun they can have when they share. The two of them end up becoming friends. In the story Horace and Morris, but mostly Dolores, our problem is that Horace and Morris join a club for boy mice only, and Dolores joins a club for girl mice only. The friends end up missing each other a lot. At the end of the story, the problem is solved when the friends create their own club where anyone is allowed to join. Here's my question today. What was the high point in this story? Post your thoughts on the discussion board in Schoology. I can't wait to hear your thinking.